Today I'm making a gravity feeder out of PVC tubing for our chicken, and I've just gone to the local hardware store Bunnings and got some 90-degree elbows, a T-junction, and I already had this piece of PVC tube at home from a previous plumbing job, and I'm just going to chop, cut, put it together, and let's hope for the best. So I've put all the pieces together. I've used the plumber's glue to join the pipe at the bottom, because fortunately what I did was I cut the thread off the top of this T so I can put it on the top of this pipe for the cap. But it became a bit tight, so I had to heat it up and squeeze it in. So I've just put the tape on there just for a bit of color, and that's it. So now what I've got to do is hang it up, and I've drilled a hole in there. I'm going to put the screw through, and I put these two little discs as spaces at the back, and we'll hang it up now. So come and watch. Stop. Ready? I've got the two spaces on. That spacer might be too high actually, so I might have to take it off. And it's good. Now we'll fill it up and see how it goes. So here we are filling it up, the feeder that we just made. We'll put a few scoops in of pellets. And there it is there. The tube is getting full. I think that should do. Is it out for both sides?
No.
I think that's just the angle of it. That's fine. Manishka,
Yeah.
I think I might have to do something at the bottom of it. Enough now, okay? Thank you. And here's proof that my chicken feeder is working. See that our two eyes are brown seeds in them. So that's homemade, and those two are commercially made. And this is our little chicken coop that we made. And here's our two eggs. Hey! Manishka, don't put food everywhere. There's food feeders for them.